How to do a sealed system repair using Vulcan lock ring couplers. For the required tools, please consult your local LG representative. Always wear gloves and put on safety goggles. R600A is highly flammable. Evacuation of old refrigerant. Open a window. Prepare the pinch pliers. Mount one side of the quick coupler to the pierce part, the other on the manometer hose. Set the pliers to the correct pipe diameter and lock the position with the nut. Make sure that you have enough space to connect the charging hose. Check the refrigeration circuit. Connect the circuit with a measuring manifold. Power on the refrigerator. Use a personal protection adapter for safety. Check the low side pressure to confirm your diagnosis. Unplug the power. Connect a quick release coupler to the evacuation hose. Put the hose outside. You can see the refrigerant flow. Stop evacuating when no more refrigerant is observed.